In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through your Hostinger control panel to access your SSH settings. Whether you're setting up a server or managing a website, knowing how to find and configure your SSH access is invaluable. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to the official Hostinger website, https://hpanels, hostinger.com. Once you're there, log into your account to access the Hostinger control panel, commonly referred to as the H panel. This is essentially the nerve center where you can manage all aspects of your hosting services. Once logged in, you'll see the dashboard, which offers a variety of options. But don't feel overwhelmed. In no time, you'll get the hang of navigating through it. Now, direct your attention to the left side of the screen and find the tab labeled Websites. Give it a click. This will take you to a page that lists all of the websites you're managing with Hostinger. The interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, so you should have no trouble locating the Websites section. Here, you'll find critical information about each of your websites, neatly compiled for easy access. Next, you need to select the Dashboard option. This will open up the specific dashboard for the website you wish to configure. On this page, you'll find a suite of management tools tailored to your website's requirements. It's where you can perform various actions like managing files, databases, and more. But for today's purpose, we're focusing on SSH access. Now, let's focus on the Advanced section. Hover over the menu items and click on Advanced. This section is crucial for users who need more control over their hosting environment. It gives you access to a range of additional settings, perfect for those times when basic options just won't cut it. With the Advanced section open, you'll see a list of further features. Among these, look for SSH access and give it a click. SSH, or Secure Shell, allows you to securely access your server, perform administrative tasks, manage files, and execute commands. This feature is especially crucial for advanced users who need to interact with their servers directly. Finally, once you're in SSH access, you'll see an option for IP. Click on IP to view the specific settings and information related to your SSH access. Here you might need to configure certain settings, like predefined keys, to ensure secure and efficient server access. There you have it. With these steps, you are now well equipped to access and configure SSH settings through Hostinger's H panel. Remember, navigating new interfaces can feel a bit daunting at first, but with practice, you'll gain confidence and fluency. Thanks for tuning in, and happy hosting!